Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com. A reminder as well that you can watch TVJ live by downloading our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1 followed by the word spots and media. In a Primetime News follow-up, there are more concerns from business persons in Manchester who were the targets of a major extortion racket, which led the police to a big bust in Clarendon. The case is still before the courts, but the Manchester police are working to increase protection for several business people who reported threats from some of the accused who have been released on bail. TVJ's Krista Campbell has been following the story.
Head of the Manchester Police, Superintendent Wayne Cameron, addressing the latest municipal corporation meeting in the parish. TVJ News understands that he's met with the Mandeville business community before, and addressing councillors this week, he noted renewed concerns from business operators who had reported being targeted in what's suspected to be an extortion racket. 6 persons were arrested and charged last March after police recovered close to 80 letters sent to or destined for business persons, most of them in Manchester, but also St. Catherine as well. The letters were said to contain threats that the business persons, their families, and their employees would be harmed or killed and their businesses destroyed if they did not pay over extortion money on a weekly, fortnightly, or monthly basis. One of the accused pleaded guilty and was sentenced in April 2017. The court case is ongoing, but Superintendent Cameron says all but one of the other accused is out on bail, and that's creating more problems for the business people.
The one who is still behind bars is the one who was already incarcerated for other things, for other crimes. 6 witnesses have come forward to say that they have been contacted again by these individuals, intimidating them and threatening them.
He says he has reported the matter to the courts, but the police are also taking action.
We'll be making efforts to find out exactly who's making the calls, and just to use this medium to say that anyone who is interfering with a Crown witness is going to find himself behind bars again.
TVJ News understands that the police are also looking into reports that personal information pertaining to the affected business persons were also posted in a video and uploaded to a Facebook site. Meanwhile, the police are assuring residents and business persons in Mandeville that they are working to protect and keep them safe. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.